welcome to Wendy's Trailer Life. Today I'm going to do a video of me cooking my Sunday dinner. I know I haven't did a video in a while cooking on Sundays, but today I am going to give you guys a treat, and I'm going to be cooking some fried chicken, potatoes, and some vegetables. So right now I'm just here cutting up my potatoes. And you know how I do it the old-fashioned way. I don't use the I have one, but I like to cut them this way. Cut them up this way. So right now I'm just peeling and cutting my potatoes. And they're going to be seasoned potatoes. You guys are enjoying your Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I put up earlier, that I did this morning, of me doing my hair, getting ready for Monday morning. And that's how I do. On Sundays I prepare for Monday morning, so I can rest, get everything out the way on Sundays. So I can rest the rest of my Sunday evening. So I start out early. I'm so tired of snow. They're saying that we're supposed to get some more snow tomorrow. I just can't wait. I guess the groundhog? I guess the groundhog wasn't playing this year. The snow. I tell you. A lot of snow. I don't cut them up too small, the potatoes, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil them on top of the stove, and I season them. This is the way my mom used to cook her potatoes. Well, she still cook them this way, and she seasoned them real good. I'm gonna fry some chicken up and what I had for lunch, I had something really good today. I had some of that vegan, plant-based meat today with some kale, and I mixed it. I kind of mixed it together. It was good that way. And I've been eating a lot of like cranberries. And I love pistachios. And, so I've been doing good as far as, trying to maintain my weight or whatever. And like everything's been going good with that. So I'm proud of myself. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna rinse off my potatoes, and then I'm gonna get to start cleaning the chicken, and then I can start frying. So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna rinse off my potatoes. I have them in my bowl. I'm gonna rinse them off, and I guess you guys can see I have my hair net on because this hair is like really I don't want any hair to get on the food, so I put my hair net on. I'm just rinsing off my potatoes. So after I rinse them off, I still let them soak a little bit, just a little bit, and then I'll just sit them on the table. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my, I'm gonna clean my chicken and rinse it off, wash them off. So I have some chicken breast here, and some, these are some drumsticks that I have. So I'm gonna rinse these guys off, and I'm going to clean them. So yeah, I'm gonna open my chicken breast first. So I'm gonna clean them off, and they like kind of already. I just want to make sure they were thawed out, but they are. I'm just rinsing off my chicken and putting it inside the bowl. Make sure I take all the fat off. So far, this is what I have, and I'm a season. So guys, right now I'm just putting my potatoes inside my pot. And I'm going to put a little water. I'm just going to season my potatoes. I have my Himalaya salt. And you don't want to put the water in the pot all the way up to the top. You just want to put it halfway. You just want your potatoes to steam. And I have my onion powder. And a little garlic powder. Garlic salt. And I have my black pepper. So I'm gonna turn that on and let that turn the stove on. I'm gonna let my potatoes boil. I did my little declutter video, and I still had to keep some of my seasonings on top of my microwave. Just not all of them, but some of them. So I'm going to put my pot and let my potatoes boil. So now I'm going to get my oil. Crisco. Don't need that much oil. Crisco oil. And I'm going to let that get hot and stay tuned, guys. So right now I'm seasoning my chicken. I already put my Himalaya salt, which is here. I already had that, and I added my black pepper. And now, guys, all I'm doing now is just adding my garlic salt. Just a little garlic salt. A little onion powder. That's all you need. And my trick of seasoning my chicken, I put a little hot sauce, not a lot. And then I mix it up. Mix the chicken up. And voila, there you are. Okay. So guys, I'm going to get back with you and stay tuned. So I have my chicken oil seasoning, and now I have my flour here. So now I'm just gonna flour my chicken. My oil was getting hot. It's my chicken. I'm flouring my chicken. I just like to sprinkle. Not quite. Almost. And I just flour my chicken up. So by the time it get hot, I have a couple of pieces to throw in there. Stay tuned, guys. So I'm putting in my drumsticks now. It's a really big iron pot, cast iron pot. You get a lot of pieces of chicken in here. I think I could even fit my chicken breast in here. Let me see. That'll be good if I can. So one bird with one stone. Yeah, I can get the other piece in here. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let that cook up. I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will see you guys on the other side. Just washing out my bowls. Washing out these dishes. It's pretty sunny out today, but it's still cold, but it's sunny out. So we want to see what's going to happen later on. They said we're supposed to get some snow. So we'll see. So what I do is I just stick holes inside the inside my drumsticks. Because you want to make sure, like, you want to make sure they're done in the inside all the way through. So they're so thick, you know. And yes, I use a fork because I want to make sure my chicken is done. So that's the only reason why I use a fork. I know some people use the tongues and flip their chicken. I use a fork because I want to make sure it's done. So the chicken is frying, and this one is frying. I gotta turn it over soon. I have my peas and carrots going. Here's my potatoes. So I still have a little bit chicken left in here, still cooking. My carrots and peas are done, and I'm still waiting for my potatoes. They're almost done as well, and dinner is done, and dinner will be served. So guys, I'm just sitting here. I came in here to sit down for a minute while the chicken is in there frying. But I was just in here working on the I have a calendar that I work on. You know, that I write everything on, as far as with my work schedule and my YouTube schedule. So I've been writing things down and pretty much trying to organize the days, you know, trying to split everything in half. And I also been working on trying to get some more products as far as my my little business that I'm thinking about doing. And it's going to be all types of stuff. As you guys know, I in the past I had made bracelets and stuff like for children, and necklaces and bracelets, and also for adults I made earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. So I've been doing that for a minute, and you know, it's just like a little side hustle that I had going on, especially in my youngin' days that I did. And you know, it's right now I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. And I told you guys in the past on a couple of my videos, I was showing you guys like how easy it is to make bracelet. Like if you're thinking about doing like a small business, it's easy. Just put your mind to it, write your stuff, your ideas down, and go for what you know. And it's not hard. I'm telling you, it's not hard. And things you don't see on video, I am doing things behind the scenes. And I've been like, you know, I just have that type of mentality where, you know, you get, you know, you're into one thing and then you start another. You know what I'm saying? You just don't stop at one thing. You keep going to the next. Oh, I have another idea. Let me jump on that. And you write it down, and then, you know, put your ideas together, and they'll start working. I'm telling you, because with how this world is going right now, you never know. You know what I'm saying? So you have to have a plan B for everything. So yeah. So I'm, like I said, I'm on my schedule, trying to make different dates. Right now, February schedule is almost done, because this week coming, which is this Monday coming, this is the last week of February. It's only 28 days in February. And so now I'm going to just start working on I have March here. So I just tore this out, but it's okay. I tore February out. So this is March. So now I'll just start writing things down out for March, what I have planned for March. It's always good to plan ahead, because you never know. So I just keep this little calendar. It's good to have you guys like a little calendar, especially if you have like a small business and stuff like that, and you want to just keep everything written down on the days that you have to do things. That's good to have, because you don't want to, you know, clutter. You don't want to you don't want to have like a really, really busy day. You just want to have everything in order where you can get everything done. So that's what I'm doing, because like I said, I'm juggling working and also juggling doing YouTube and other things that I have going on. So yeah, it could be not stressful, but it could be, I don't know, stressful. It can be stressful, but you know, you just write everything down and, you know, put put it in the order with how it may work for you and stuff like that. So yes, always keep your calendar, and also always have things organized where you could just go to it and have it done. And I know a lot of people that already have a small business. I know that's how you do, like you make sure everything is on schedule. So that's a good plan. So yes, and I hope everybody's successful with what they're doing. I know everybody's trying to like get into like having their own business, working for themselves and stuff like that. And keep striving, y'all. Keep going. Don't let nothing stop you. Keep going. And stay tuned. Let me get back to this chicken. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm shedding the weight off by eating this plant-based diet that I've been on. It's sort of like a vegan diet. Yes, I do. I give myself like a cheat day every once in a while. And but look, I'm slimming down, y'all. I feel so good. Like, I feel good. Yes, I feel really good. And it's working. So no fried food for me. I'm just frying that chicken, you know, for my family. But yes, y'all, it's really this little healthy kick that I'm on right now. It's really working for me. And this is the results. Stay tuned. So my chicken is done. Got it wrapped up. And I'm just gonna sit everything to the side and let everyone fix their own plate today. So guys, I'm gonna leave my video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was like cooking, a motivation video as well. Hoping you guys are striving for your dreams. I am, and I'm gonna stick to whatever, you know, what I'm doing. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep going. I hope you guys are doing the same as well. And also I want to let you guys know that I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel, also watching my channel as well. And always tell a friend, share my videos, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, push the bell notification so you can see more of my videos, and keep reaching for the stars, guys. Bye.